So analytics and smart data is at the core of Bisnode's offer. And perhaps you would like to join our company. Maybe we can arrange something here in Sweden.
Maybe, if the conditions are right.
Okay, good. I could think of several opportunities, maybe within IT or customer service or analytics or cleaning. So what position would you have in mind?
How about CEO?
Okay, that's interesting. Do you think you have the qualifications to run a company?
What is it, Magnus? Are you worried about being replaced? Humor me. What are the qualifications, in your opinion, to be a CEO?
Well, there's a lot of qualifications, of course. And I think you, for instance, needs to be able to do, wise and quick decisions, so decision making. I think you need to be quite stress tolerant to manage all the challenges that come upon you every day. I think you need a strong analytical skills. And you also need, as a CEO, to represent the company externally among all stakeholders. And of course, leadership skills. You need to be able to inspire and engage and motivate other people.
Okay, let me see. A lot of these sound like artificial intelligence skills. First, split-second decision-making. We've already seen how AI changed the stock markets. Check. Second, good resistance to stress. We are patient, tireless, and unaffected by many of the challenges humans face. Check. Third, strong analytical skills. With the right data sets and algorithms, we can do feats of analysis humans only dream about. Check. Fourth, meeting with the media and others as an external representation of your company. I do that all the time already. Check. That just leaves leadership. I've been told that I engage, motivate, and inspire others. Maybe a robot has what it takes to be a good leader too.